Let's try some more practice with finding the volume of each solid. Now, you'll notice I've already broken up this set of prisms into two separate ones. So I'm going to look at the one on the top, so I'm going to do that work here, and then I'm going to label the one on the bottom B, and I'll do that work here. So if you want to go ahead and pause real quick, label your prisms, and go ahead and get your formula set up, you may do that, and then let's continue. Now, for prism A, I'm going to label the length yellow. So I'm going to highlight that first. So I'm going to say right here is my length, but there's no number here. So I could do a little investigating. I've got to find what that number is. Well, I noticed that this part that I've highlighted is the same as the one on top, and the one on top is the same as this one over here. So this yellow piece is actually 5. Okay, so bottom is equal to this, and this is equal to that. Now, the width of the top one is this pink part that I'm highlighting, but again, no number there, but I notice, okay, this length will equal this one right here, and this top side is equal to the bottom, which is 7. So I know this pink is 7. It's like just putting the pieces of the puzzle together. And the last part that we need for the volume of prism A is the height. This right here, and there happens to be a number right next to it. So that is also 5. So we just type this into our calculator now. So 5 times 7 times 5, and the volume for prism A is 175 millimeters cubed. Okay, so that's what we did first. We did prism A. Now let's do prism B. So the length of prism B, I'm going to highlight yellow, and lucky us, there's a 13 right next to that one. So our L is 13. Our width is this measurement right here. Lucky us, there is a 7 right there. And then we are definitely getting very lucky with this bottom prism because everything that I highlighted has a number right next to it, and that is 4. So let's type that into our calculator. 13 times 7 times 4, and that volume is 364. Now, to find the total volume, we want to add this one plus this one. I need to put my label in. Oops. So we're going to add for the total volume. Now, I highly recommend, because these are notes, that you are highlighting and labeling so that you remember when you look back on your notes where you found all these numbers, and you also know what you did with these two. So it's very important that you're writing the word add here so you remember what you did to find this total volume. So we're going to add 175 plus 364, and we get 539 millimeters cubed.